Hello and welcome back to another weekend website course tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Sitekit to your website. So just a quick breakdown, what is Google Sitekit? So Google Sitekit is a plugin that you can put on your WordPress site that allows you to see your analytics all in one place. Of course, you can always sign up for a Google Analytics account, Search Console account, and all these different accounts and go to them manually. Or you can use Google Sitekit to put all those apps right on your website so you can see the health of your website, your analytics, your traffic, and everything else all in one place. I'm just going to show you how to get that set up today. So the first thing we want to do is go over to our plugins in our left sidebar, and we want to click on plugins and then add new so we can search for the Google Sitekit plugin. So let's go ahead and search for that plugin. Okay, and here it is. Let's go ahead and click on Install Now and activate. All right, so now that the plugin is installed and activate, now we need to complete the setup. So let's go ahead and click on Start Setup here. All right, and next you're going to sign in with Google. So if you don't have a Google account, you can create a free Google account for yourself. You can either use a Gmail account or you can use your own existing email address. That is up to you. So I just want to make that clear that you definitely want to have a Google account to complete the Sitekit, because you'll need it to set up Google Analytics, Search Console, and all the other applications out there. So sign in with Google is the next step. All right, sign in with Google. This is my Google account. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on everything here, continue. All right, so now we need to verify the ownership of our website. So let's click on proceed. All right, and so allow the Emerald Sofa to access Google account data. Yes, that is fine. And set up Search Console, add site. All right, so let's go to my dashboard. All right, awesome. So we have Google Search Console connected. AdSense, that is optional. If you plan to run ads on Google, you will need AdSense. So that's a little bit more advanced, but I definitely want to get Google Analytics installed. So let's go ahead and connect that service as well. All right, so now it's asking us to sign into our Google account again for the Google Analytics. Let's click on continue. All right, and so now you have to create a Google Analytics account. So I pretty much put all the information in there for you, which makes it very easy versus trying to create a Google Analytics account on your own. Just go ahead and click on Create Account. And I'm going to click on the Emerald Sofa account as the account that I want to use to create my Google Analytics account. And check the boxes to give Google the permissions for the account. Okay, so now you need to set the terms for Google Analytics, as you can see here. So we're going to click on the accept key. I'm just trying to minimize it so that I don't click on my recording settings over here to the left. Okay, I'm gonna maximize this again. All right, and click on I accept. All right, and click on go to my dashboard. All right, so awesome. So now we have Google Search Console set up and we have Google Analytics set up. So now we can start to see our analytics be right here on our WordPress dashboard. All right, and in the beginning, you probably will see these blue boxes saying that some of this information is not available. Keep in mind, we just set up this account, and so there's not going to be much data. It's going to take a few more days for the data to show up in here. Okay, and so now we're back on the WordPress dashboard. So I was telling you earlier that when you log into your WordPress site, Google Sitekit will put analytics right on your dashboard. So right now my dashboard is a little messy. So what I'm going to do is kind of get rid of some things. So I'm going to go to screen options here, and I'm just going to get rid of some things that I don't quite need right now. So the WooCommerce setup, not using it. Elementor overview, don't need it. Site health status, that's maybe a good thing to show. at-a-glance, activity, don't really care about that either. They're using Sitekit summaries. That's Google Sitekit. It's going to show you just the Sitekit. Quick draft, I don't really need that. For WordPress events, I like to see that here, but I'm just going to move things around so that way it's not the first thing that I see. All right, and there we are. So that way we're able to, once the numbers are starting to report here, you'll be able to see more of Google Sitekit and everything happening there. So if we go over to the Sitekit plugin, so you'll see that we have Search Console and Analytics installed. So when you click on these, it'll just give you more information. And like I said, it's not that much right now because this is a brand new install. Everything's as fresh as of right now. So let's give that a little bit of time to start showing your analytics and showing your data in there. But that was a very simple tutorial on how to add Google Sitekit to your website and allow you to get your analytics right in your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching.